Hi, this is Eric with Orbtr, and I'm going to tell you about the code insert module inside the Orbtr marketing automation software for WordPress. One of the biggest challenges, and it's a silly challenge, but a challenge that a lot of business owners have, is that WordPress doesn't make it easy out of the box, so to speak, to add things like analytics codes and tracking codes into your website. We use a lot of tools nowadays that require that some code be added to the header or footer of your website, and WordPress doesn't have an easy way of doing it. A lot of people sort of cheat by copying and pasting the code into the theme, but that's sort of problematic as well, because when you do that and then you upgrade your theme, well, you could lose all of those codes. You have to remember that they're there. So what code insert does is it makes it really easy to add a tracking code, a font code, conversion code, virtually anything into any WordPress theme. So this is the code insert main screen. I get there just by clicking code insert on the sidebar in my admin panel, and I can add a new code, or of course I can edit a code that I already have. And basically the way this works, I name them. The name doesn't do anything except serve as an identifier inside of code insert. And I just copy and paste. So when I sign up for my analytics account, they give me this code. I copy it, I paste it here. And I can choose all of my location information, show on the front page, show on the blog index. Some codes belong in the footer, some belong in the header. The documentation that comes with these codes is going to tell you that. If I leave this blank, it's going to automatically insert this code into every page on my website. If I want to select special pages to include, I just use the basically the serial number for that page. For example, it might be, and I can also 124. And then if I save, it'll only appear on that page. I can also exclude pages, and I can also include or exclude specific category IDs. And if I press this, it'll either create the code or save my changes. How do you get the page IDs? Really simple. If I go to my all pages, and you'll see when I roll over a specific page, I see down at the bottom, post equals 74, post equals 78, post equals 18. And all I do is I enter those numbers into my code insert, include or exclude fields, and I'm all done. So really simple. It takes now seconds to add an analytics code or a piece of JavaScript that you need on every single page, but don't want to include in your theme because you're afraid you might lose it down the line. It's also a really easy way to insert things like that belong only on specific pages, like AdWords conversion codes and things like that. So very easy, very simple, and part of the Orbtr marketing automation suite. Thanks so much.